I want to build a new computer. I don't really know a lot about computers. You have like a really wide knowledge of computers. Okay, so first we're going to start with the CPU. This one, so this processor is Intel. It's a Xeon E5-2699B3.
Yeah, that's...
And it has a data width of 64-bit, as well as a speed of 2.3 GHz and 18 cores. So this is an 18-core processor. Motherboard is important. Oh wow, this is an ASRock X99 Extreme 11, and it has 5 stars. Don't you think so? I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the part list. I just know that I want 3 video cards. $15,000. I just went and I sorted it all by the most expensive parts, so
Oh, sure, that's,
I was
mean,
thinking that would make it good. Like, I was going to have, like, other people pay for it. I don't actually have to spend my own money because it's like... I don't know. Isn't it epic? I just wanted it.